Am I recording? Are you recording?
Yeah.
You got me in good frame?
Yoana.
Okay. You take a, what the fuck is that thing called? What's it called?
Shredder? I don't know.
Wait. Welcome back to the channel, Wealthy Tribe. I'm happy to have you guys here with me. We are at a very secret location today. The grocery store. Today we're talking about simple changes to healthy eating. If you just stumbled on this channel, let me take a second to introduce myself. My name is Yoana. You can call me Yo. I make videos on fitness, nutrition, supplements, and every now and then I like to throw a vlog in there because you gotta spice up life, you know what I mean? So let's get this video started. Let's not waste any time. I'm gonna walk you guys through some of my top simple changes so that you guys can eat a healthier way and affordably. So let's go. Okay, you can, oh no, you can follow me now. Are you hungry? I forgot to mention that we have a very special cameraman today. Can you please say hello to the people?
Hello.
All right. So before we get started with the video, I want to let you guys know that the majority of your grocery shopping should be in this fruits, veggies section. Your produce, 90% of your shopping is going to be in this section. Okay. All right, we're starting off with fruit. As you guys know, fruit is an awesome option. However, it is extremely high in sugar and can be high in fat. So something you want to do is switch out some like mangoes or fruits that can be really high in sugar for some healthier fruits. Berries are extremely high in antioxidants, which is fantastic for you because, as I've said in recent videos, the more antioxidants you have, the better it is because they fight free radicals, which are those little invaders in your body trying to give you disease. The next great option is pineapple, and the reason why is because it has something called bromelain. What bromelain does, it helps you digest protein. So what I used to do when I was trying to lose weight, after I was eating chicken, because I would eat a lot of chicken when I was trying to lose weight, I'd always have a little bit of pineapple after my meal because it helps you digest that protein in a better way. We all know we love our cheese dips and our ranch dips with our chips. Who doesn't? However, you want a healthier option? Hummus is fantastic, and look at all the options for hummus. We have regular hummus, we have roasted garlic hummus, caramelized onion hummus, which I've never heard of.
That's my favorite.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And roasted red pepper hummus, which is actually my favorite, which is so good on rye toast with cucumbers. Like, oh, so good. So yeah, you don't need ranch dips. You guys can use hummus as a healthy option. There's protein in this, which is fantastic. You know, 2 tablespoons a day is only 60 calories. So who doesn't love tacos? We all love tacos. We love quesadillas. We love that stuff. But a simple, healthy option is lettuce wraps for your tacos. I tried this probably only a month ago, and I was like, oh my God. Game changer, because it's absolutely delicious and you're not getting those unnecessary carbs that you don't need. Who doesn't love hamburgers? We all love hamburgers, but this is an unnecessary carb. It's enriched. You don't need it. You can easily make that switch for portobello mushrooms. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of mushrooms, but my best friend swears by this. It's really simple. You just cut off the little stem, you scrape out what's inside, and this is your hamburger bun. Ground beef. Oh, I know, this is delicious, but this is totally a bad cut of meat for you. It takes 8 to 12 hours to digest this type of red meat, and it's very processed. So really simple switch. Come back to me. Turkey is fantastic for you. It is just as delicious. It's full of healthy fats, and I'm sorry to my people who watch this who are vegans or vegetarians. A super simple switch out. We love whipped cream. Who doesn't love whipped cream? Like, hello, just drink this straight from the bottle. Super simple switch, coconut whipped cream. I swear, guys, this is just as good. You can actually make this yourself. Super simple. I should post a recipe about that. But first of all, let's talk about the prices, because this kind of is what got me to say this. The whipped cream is $4.19. Coconut whipped cream is $3.79. Hello, savings. Why wouldn't you want to make that switch? All right, guys, I know everyone loves pasta, and when we see things like this, Healthy Harvest, you think, hey, that's a healthier option. Something you don't know about this, I just read the label, there's 4 grams of sugar in this. That's not that much healthier, and you still have all the same carbs, and they're not even that good for you, and there's more than likely gluten in this as well. So really simple switch out for pasta. zucchini, butternut squash. I promise you, it is just as tasty, easier to cook, isn't gonna take you as long, and it's gonna last as long. Okay, so let's be realistic. We need oil to cook our food. However, stuff like this, corn oil, this is so genetically modified, and this is not good for you whatsoever. Really simple trade outs. Olive oil, I know it's a little more expensive, but it lasts just as long, and it is so delicious. An even better trade out is coconut oil. Now I know there's been a little bit of controversy over coconut oil lately because people keep saying it adds saturated fats into your diet. Something people forget about coconut oil, this is actually a really healthy fat for you. So these are two really simple switch outs to use instead of all this processed genetically modified oils. Sugar, we all love it, let's face it. But some really simple trade outs for you, stevia, I would say is number one. This has 0 calories in it, and you just need just a tiny bit to sweeten your smoothies, your oatmeal, whatever it is you're sweetening. If you want something that has a little more of a sugary taste, because I will say this has a little bit of an odd aftertaste that you have to get used to, coconut sugar is an awesome option for that. Super simple, it's very low in calories, and coconuts are very good for you. Rice is not actually terrible for you, especially if you're having like brown rice. It is a really healthy carb. However, if you're trying to lose weight, it is still extremely high in calories, and it is a carb. A really simple switch out is cauliflower rice. It's so simple to make. You take a shredder and you take the cauliflower and you put it against the shredder, and then you season it with whatever you want, and you can fry it up, and honestly it tastes just as good as rice. Electrolyte drinks like Powerade, Gatorade, I know you guys like them, but don't trust the label all the time. I'm just gonna read to you guys what it says here on the label, because it, you know, you think electrolytes, yeah, it's great for me, I'm doing sports, not so much. Okay, for the whole bottle, there's 36 grams of sugar in this, 36 grams of sugar, and that is processed unnatural sugar. There is also 38 grams of carbs. Of course, you need sodium to restore your electrolytes, but this is 270 milligrams of sodium, which makes it 150 calories per the whole bottle. A really simple switch out is coconut water. It is 100% natural, and let me just read the label to you guys so you can see the difference. Per the same amount of serving, you're only gonna get 20 grams of sugar, you're gonna get 2 grams of protein, you're gonna get 75 milligrams of sodium. That is a huge difference, and this restores your electrolytes naturally. And you're also going to get only 100 calories per cup compared to your 270 calories. So what have we learned today? Coconut is our friend. I know we're all in a rush all the time, constantly. We have places to go. So a super simple switch out for your fruits, your veggies, is all the frozen stuff. You can make smoothies with fruits, veggies. You can use your vegetables to make stir fries, whatever it may be. And when things are frozen, they're usually frozen in their best state. We don't know if that's always true, but majority of the time, I hope that's true. So I hope this video helps you guys make healthier choices at the grocery store. All I'm trying to do, guys, is help you on your journey in health so that you guys can be the healthiest and best version of yourself. So, if you watched this whole video, you got to the end of it, you obviously liked it, I'm doing something right, so why don't you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell so that you know when my videos come out. Before we end this video, let's say goodbye to our lovely camera woman of the day.
Peace.
And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace!